So, here are two things about me that you might want to know. Number one, I love being around people, and number two, I am not an outdoor adventurous kind of person at all. But today, I'm going to challenge both of those. I am going to hike solo, and I'm going to see what I can learn out of this experience. Now, hiking is definitely not my strong point, and neither is being alone. But today, I'm going to change all of that. Let's see how it goes. It's 8:40 a.m. and I've already walked around 2000 steps. I'm on my way to Tare Bir, which I've heard is a great place with amazing views. I've never visited before, but I'm waiting to check this out. So as you can guess, this place is beautiful. It has a great reputation for a reason. However, it's an uphill kind of a thing, and now I'm getting slightly tired. Okay, so I'm getting slightly tired now and I can see this big incline on top, but I don't really have a choice. I have to keep going. Let's go. I should have just In the last 2 hours, I felt tired. No, actually, I felt super tired. I felt thirsty, but I just had some water. But most importantly, I've been excited about trying something new. But you know what the best bit is? This view has been completely worth all of that pain. So I've had quite a fun day. I slept only for 5 hours and I had challenged myself to this hike, which I managed to do. I didn't hike up the entire hill, however, whatever I did halfway through was a lot of fun. I managed to reach the top and honestly that's what's important for me. I saw some marvelous views which made all of that worthwhile. And most importantly, today I'm going to say something which I never thought I'll say in January in Kathmandu, and that is, it's hot. Yes, after you've done that kind of work and that kind of physical activity, it feels really hot, and I've taken off one layer and my gloves and my scarf as well. However, I also learned a lot of important things today and I'm going to share them with you now. Lesson number one, it's good to challenge yourself once in a while. To me today, having challenged myself gave me something new to look forward to and something to wake up to in the morning. It made me feel alive, and being here, no matter how difficult it was, felt like a lot of fun. Number two, a lot of times in life, things are not as easy as you expect them to be. However, that does not mean that you stop. That does not mean that you give up. I wanted to give up at once, but then I decided to keep moving. And trust me, that is what made all the difference. The fact that I wanted to go on and on, no matter the pain in my calves, no matter all the regrets that I had about never hitting the gym in the last 3 years, in spite of all of that, I kept moving, and that really made all the difference, and that really helped me reach to the top where I wanted to go. Number three, I also learned that for a person like me, if things are too easy, they're not so meaningful. On the other hand, if something really meaningful has to happen in my life, if it has to mean a lot to me, if it has to be something that I attach a lot of importance to, generally it's not something that's too easy. So if you want to achieve something that's difficult, remember, it's not going to be easy, but trust me, it's going to be worth it. Number four, always be prepared. You know, a lot of times people like to jump into things without knowing exactly what they want to do or how they want to do it. However, I'm not one of those. I'm extremely organized and very well prepared. Even today, I knew where I had to go. I knew the route. I knew who had to go with me in the camera. I knew exactly where I would be eating. I knew that I had to carry water. I prepared myself in every way possible, which really made the whole journey as well as the end result so much easier and so much more fun. So remember, if you want to achieve something in life, always remember, be prepared. Number five, sometimes things look difficult. No, actually, sometimes things look super difficult. Sometimes you feel like giving up. Sometimes you feel that you're an idiot for even trying. However, what's all so important is to remember that if it's something that's important to you, if whatever you want to do is something that's going to change your life, that's going to make you feel something, remember, it's going to be worth it in the end. Put in that effort, do whatever it takes to achieve your dreams, because it is going to be worth it in the end. And if you think it's not going to be worth it, then well, you're not dreaming big enough. And my final point and point number 6, always remember, enjoy the view. You know, you are going to put in so much of effort to get wherever you are in life. When you finally get there, be there. Savor that. Enjoy the view, enjoy that moment. Smell the fresh air. Breathe the positivity in. Enjoy the sounds. Enjoy the view, because remember, the view is always amazing from the top.